Today, we'll help you create a Garmin Child account for their new device. Your child must be at least 8 years of age to utilize the account. With a Garmin Child account, your child can track their activities and health metrics through multiple Garmin apps. The Child account will not have the same access to features available on an adult account. For example, they will not be able to have connections or view public comments and reviews. See our FAQ link below to learn more about the account differences. You can create the Child account through select smartphone applications. This video will show how to create a Child account in Garmin Connect, but the process will be the same for the other applications. First, let's talk about what happens when a child tries to set up their new Garmin device. When they first power on their new device, they will be asked to select their language. Next, they will be asked to pair their compatible smartphone to enable connected features. After selecting the checkmark, they will see a QR code. Using their compatible smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. This will direct them to the installation page for the Garmin application. Once the download is complete, open Garmin Connect to begin the setup. Once in the app, select Create Account. Next, review and accept the end-user license agreement. Then, they will enter their date of birth and country or region. Then select Continue. Then select Confirm. Based on their age, the Garmin app will then ask for their name and their parent or guardian's email address. The parent or guardian will receive a confirmation email to approve the account creation. Now let's walk through the parent or guardian's process. Open the confirmation email and select Get Started. Sign in to your Garmin Connect account or select Create One. For this demonstration, we will create a new account. Review and accept the end-user license agreement. Then, select Next. If prompted, enter your age and country or region. Then, select Continue. Then, select Confirm. Enter your name, email address, and create your password. Review the terms and select Create Account. Then select Continue. Review and agree to the privacy notice to parents. Enter or confirm your billing address. Select Continue. To verify your adult account, you will need to process a one-time transaction to a credit or debit card. This will be refunded in 5 to 7 business days. Enter your card details and select Continue. Once processed, enter your child's name, email, password, date of birth, and country or region. This will create the new child account they can log into. Agree to the terms and select Continue to finish account creation. Agree to the storage and processing agreement. You can opt in to product improvement data or leave it to opt out. Then select Continue. After the child account is created, you will be able to adjust the child's account's privacy and settings at any point. To learn more, see our FAQ linked in the description. Your child can now select Sign In on their smartphone. Here, they will need to enter the email address and password you used to create their account. Your child can then follow the on-screen prompts to add a device to their account. For help pairing their device, refer to the related Getting Started video. And that's it. Your child's Garmin account is now set up. To learn more about their device, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com.